Most business owners leave millions on the table when selling their company. Why? Because they don't have the right advisory board in place. Today, I'll show you the exact blueprint to build a power team that can help you sell for 20 to 50% more. Stick around because I'll also share a checklist you can use right away. The biggest mistake I see: business owners wait too long to build an advisory board. By the time they're ready to sell, it's too late to maximize value. Buyers are looking for any reason to lowball you. They're looking for cracks in your foundation, any sign of weakness. That's where a killer advisory board comes in. A strong advisory board is like having an all-star team in your corner, ready to fight for your best interests. They bring experience, expertise, and a network that you just can't replicate on your own. It's about strategically selecting individuals who can fill the gaps in your knowledge, challenge your assumptions, and open doors that you didn't even know existed. They help you articulate your company's value proposition in a way that resonates with potential acquirers. They leverage their network to find the right buyers and negotiate the best possible deal for you. So, who should be on your advisory board? This isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. The perfect advisory board is tailored to your specific industry, company size, and exit goals. But there are 5 key players that I see making a huge difference time and time again. First, you need a seasoned M&A advisor. This is someone who lives and breathes mergers and acquisitions. They know the ins and outs of the process, they can anticipate potential roadblocks, and they have a knack for getting deals done. Second, an industry expert. You need someone who understands your specific niche inside and out. They can provide invaluable insights into market trends, competitive landscapes, and potential opportunities that you might be missing. Third, a financial whiz. This could be a CFO, a CPA, or a financial advisor with a proven track record. They'll help you get your financials in order, maximize your valuation, and ensure a smooth due diligence process. Fourth, a legal eagle. You want an experienced attorney who specializes in mergers and acquisitions. They'll protect your interests, navigate the legal complexities of a sale, and ensure that you're getting a fair deal. Chapter 3. Don't wait, building your board before it's too late. The best time to start building your advisory board? It was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Look, I get it. You're busy running your business. Finding the time and resources to assemble an advisory board might seem daunting. But trust me, it's one of the most important things you can do to secure your financial future. Assembling a killer advisory board takes time. You need to identify the right people, build relationships, and establish clear expectations. Ideally, you want to start building your board 2 to 3 years before you plan to exit. This gives you ample time to leverage their expertise, implement their recommendations, and maximize your company's value. Don't worry if you're not planning to sell anytime soon. Having an advisory board is beneficial at any stage of your business journey. Talk to other entrepreneurs, attend industry events, and reach out to people you admire. Be clear about your expectations and don't be afraid to offer incentives. Avoiding deal-killing mistakes: what not to do. Let's talk about some common mistakes that can sabotage your exit and leave you with a lot less money than you deserve. First, don't just invite your friends and family. Look, I get it, you trust these people. But your advisory board needs to be made up of individuals with specific expertise and experience that can actually help you sell your business for more. Second, neglecting to define clear roles and responsibilities. Before you even have your first meeting, make sure everyone understands why they're there and what's expected of them. This will prevent confusion, wasted time, and potential conflicts down the road. Third, failing to communicate effectively. Your advisory board can't help you if they don't know what's going on in your business. Keep them in the loop, share important updates, and be open to their feedback. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you'll set yourself up for a smooth and successful exit. Get ready to sell for more. Want my step-by-step checklist for building an advisory board? Drop advisor in the comments and I'll send it to you. I break down M&A strategies every week. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Next, you need to watch my breakdown on how to get buyers fighting over your business. Click here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.